Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your due diligence and research. As Christmas is almost upon us, NEO added another 9 battery swap stations yesterday, December 23rd, 2024, bringing our total of battery swap stations to 2,864. Our total swaps as of yesterday stands at 60,878,654 at the time of this recording. So NEO stock price prediction 2025, one analyst thinks there'll be a 70% surge is possible. This is from, you guys can find this article on Invez, INVEZZ. It says NEO shares have crashed 50% this year. The company launched new vehicle brands last week. The stock has formed a triple bottom pattern, pointing to more gains. NEO stock price has had a rough year and its business faces substantial challenges, including elevated competition and losses. It was trading at $4.55 on Monday, meaning that it has dropped by about 50% this year, and by over 93% from its highest level in 2020. So will the new product launches boost NEO share price? Will it do that? NEO, a company that was seen as China's best answer to Tesla, has been under pressure as the latter has become a 1.4 trillion behemoth. And we all know Tesla has turned into a meme stock. And as Elon joined Donald Trump team, the stock is going up. It's becoming parabolic. It is valued way more than it should be, and has turned into a complete meme stock. We all know that. The company's business, NEO's company business, has struggled as it has missed key deadlines, faced robust production from the likes of BYD, Li Auto, and BYD, and announced substantial losses. NEO is working to reboot its business and stock. It has raised billions of dollars, which it hopes will ensure that it don't dilute its shareholders again. And we also know that now NEO has become cash flow positive, so it doesn't have to do that ever again. And with our improved margins, yet again, with Skyos and the chips coming next year, we know that also our margins will improve yet again. Most importantly, the firm has expanded its products lineup. Most importantly, it launched Onvo, a brand that it hopes will compete with Tesla's Model Y, and we see that happening already, guys. This brand has been received well, with the company expecting monthly shipments of 20,000 by March. NEO launched more products during the weekend as it seeks to increase its products lineup. It launched the ET9. That EV that the former CEO of Volkswagen said was impossible for humans to make. It was impossible, but we made it. A luxury vehicle selling for about $108,000 US dollars that it hopes will compete with brands like Porsche and Mercedes. The vehicle has a range of about 404 miles. Let me say that again. The vehicle has a range of about 404 miles on a single charge and has more luxurious features than any car in the world. NEO has also unveiled Firefly, a new brand that will be selling cheap EVs in China. The Firefly brand will go for just 148,000 RMB, 20,000 US dollars. It will seek to compete with other small vehicles like BMW, Mini, and Mercedes Smart. So as of now, we have the high-end segment, we have the high-end segment, we have the middle-class segment, and now we have the lower middle-class segment. We're going to dominate all of them. NEO hopes that more customers at the lower side of the segment will buy the vehicle as their starting point. Its price could even fall much lower if the customer decides to rent the battery. So a little over 14,000 probably even less. These launches will help William Li, its founder, achieve annual sales of 440,000 in 2025. Do you think you should sell your shares, or should you be buying more like my subscribers are doing? The most recent numbers show that NIO sold 20,575 vehicles in November and over 190,832 in the first 11 months of the year. In addition to its growing sales, NIO is also boosting its margins as it races towards profitability. Its gross margins in the last quarter stood at 13.1%, an improvement from the 12% it made a year earlier. This means that the firm may get to Tesla's gross margin of 18% in the next few years. Wrap your heads around that, guys. Therefore, a combination of strong growth momentum, rising margins, growing market share, and a strong, let me say that again. Therefore, a combination of strong growth, momentum, rising margins, growing market share, and a strong balance sheet means that the company will likely rebound in 2025. You heard that right. Also, the daily chart shows that NIO share price has remained under pressure in the past few months. Its recovery stalled at 770 on September 30th. The stock has remained below all moving average. There are signs that the stock is forming a slanted triple bottom chart pattern. Therefore, the stock will likely bounce back and reset the triple bottom's neckline at 770, which is about 70% above the current level. It is also near the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So I hope you guys understand what's coming in 2025. For those of you who are wondering, well, should I buy some more shares, Money Making Mitch? Yes, you should, in my honest opinion, because I will be buying more shares. I understand as dog poop, cat poop, rat poop, and bat poop, Tesla continue to lose market share and keep lying and saying robotaxi is coming, it's coming, it's coming. And NIO continue to grow and steal market share as we already dominate the high-end segment, and now we're getting ready to dominate the even higher-end segment. As we're getting ready to dominate the middle-class segment with Onvo, with the ramp-up, and as we're getting ready to dominate the lower-end segment, we will destroy all of the competition in China and as we move forward. So I hope you guys found this video on Christmas Eve to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up because it takes a lot of time to do these videos and editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we're waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie as to how the game is played on Wall Street. And like 50 Cent, we get rich or we die trying, guys.